Hello, this is the Halo Kid, and I'm going to show you how to fix this very, very broken iPod. It is very, very broken, as you can see. Even part of the screen just popped off the other day. Just dropped it, and that happened. So, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, only tool you'll need. Seriously, it's crazy. Just a knife. Okay, let's get this started. Okay. First you're going to do, you're going to want to take off the screen, which I've already loosened up pretty good. And you might want to pause it right here, because this might take a while for you. But you just need to get under the screen, and if it's already cracked, then, whatever. No, you don't need to take too much caution, as I did not myself. Okay, so I've already taken the screen off, and here's the underbelly of the whole iPod Touch. This consists of the screen right here, and the electrical components over here. There are some more electrical components under the screen, but right here, you're going to want to just sort of lift it up. It's going to give you some trouble right in here, and it's going to give you a lot of trouble. And there. Got it. The screen is out. Now, to the fixing part. Right here, there are some screws. And right here, right here, right here. You want to take those out, but I don't want to, because it's too hassleful. And there's an easy fix for everything. And this one, you stab. Stab a lot. It works. It really does. See? I bet it's getting fixed as we speak. Oh god. And, okay. Right there, that's probably just enough to fix it, because mine didn't turn on or charge or anything. Yeah, that looks fixed. Okay, now the put together. This one's probably the toughest part of it. I'm going to put the screen on, put the touchscreen on. I want to pound it on there so it stays nice and tight. And it's all fixed. So, let's go plugged in, see how it's doing. Okay. Okay. Let's get this plugged in. It's kind of hard with one hand. Like magic, I have it done within seconds. Now. Let's check the computer, see how we're doing. And video. And as you can probably guess, the icon is not showing up. Easy fix, easy fix. Just, reset the iPod. Wait till it charges for a little while. Just reset it. 1 second. And it is not turning on, surprisingly. Okay. Well, as you've probably guessed, this is not a video on how to fix your iPod. It is a video because I did not want this iTouch anymore, because it is, as you can tell, completely broken. Take the screen out. It's not even... Ugh. Can't even get... it's stuck. Not for long. There we go. Got the screen out. Works like a charm. Turning on perfect. Perfect. Okay, see you next.